Hello everyone. In continuation with previous lecture, today we will discuss about how science and mathematics are related to each other. A large number of scientific principles and rules are represented in the form of mathematical expression, for which it is necessary for the students of a person intending to get advanced study of science subjects to have sound mathematical basis. So we can see that most of the scientific principles are expressed in a mathematical form, which makes it easier for the students to understand what exactly is the link between those forms and understand the principle behind them. And without making use of mathematical expression and rules, it is impossible for any teacher to conduct science teaching in an effective manner. So it is required that a person or a teacher who is a science teacher needs to have some basic understanding of mathematics. And significance of mathematics in science can be proved by the views of experts that mathematics has given sound footing to the scientific laws and principles. So in a way, science and mathematics are so well linked to each other that we cannot think of science without mathematics. And before beginning any topic in the science subject, that is essential for the teacher to make sure that the mathematical basis of the students is strong and vast. So we know the meaning of or we know the need of why is mathematical basis is important for any science student. Probably mathematics is considered to be sole language of science because of which real understanding of science is considered to be impossible without adequate knowledge of mathematics. And some of the useful mathematical tools which are generally used in the science teaching are algebraic equations, geometrical formulas, and graphs. So, in a way, we can see how mathematics is integrated in the subject of science in every aspect that we can look into with regard to the subject of science. And correlationships existing between one of the subject of science and mathematics can be understood. And astrology is an advanced branch of science in which it is predicted that, or it is enumerated that, which says a planet revolves at which speed and when it will get appear to the people of Earth. So it is all about mathematics. So when we talk about science, mathematics will automatically appear because they both go hand in hand. So we cannot think of science without mathematics. So this is how science, subject of science and mathematics are related to each other. Thus, it can be stated that science teacher should make all efforts by which he or she can establish correlationship between the subject of science and mathematics. So as teachers, we should make an attempt to always correlate science and mathematics and do not look at your subject, may it be science or mathematics separately because they both go hand in hand because science is incomplete without mathematics and it will not be improper in any way to consider both of these subjects as complementary to each other, which can be studied simultaneously or at the same time. So a person who is or who wants to be a person with good knowledge or good or thorough knowledge of the subject of science needs to have some understanding or basic understanding of mathematics as well because they both are complementary to each other and you can study both at the same time. For this reason, it can be said that without making use of examples from mathematics, it is not possible for any science teacher to explain various scientific principles and concepts properly to the students. So if you see any subject or any topic or any concept in the subject of science, it will have some relation to the subject of mathematics. May it be the expression of any law, principle, or whenever any theory is explained, you will see that the influence of mathematics is throughout the given concept. And to make it possible, sincere and deliberate efforts should be made by the science teacher as well as mathematics teacher to correlate both the subjects in accordance with the syllabus. So both the science as well as the mathematics teacher should see to it that they relate both the subjects instead of looking at both the subjects separately or independently. We should always try and see to it that in a way or somehow we correlate both the subjects to each other. So this was about how science and mathematics are related to each other. Now let us see how the subject of history is related to the subject of science, which is very interesting to know because science and mathematics, we know, or to an extent, we had an idea of why mathematics is essential while learning science. But now understanding why history is important or how history can be correlated to the subject of science will be interesting. It sounds quite amazing that some kind of correlation can exist in between the subject like science and history, as earlier subject is practical, that is science is practical in nature, while the nature of the later subject, that is history, is purely theoretical. However, it is possible to correlate these subjects with each other. Now let us see how we can do that. While mentioning about the various scientific discoveries taken place in the earlier periods, teacher can relate with the major events of the world history. Now, when we discuss any scientific topic or any concept, theory, principle, or law, definitely there is a story behind every law, every principle, for that matter, anything that we study right now. So, as a teacher, if you relate or if you could relate that event, okay, with the concept that you're teaching them in science, in a way you will be successful in integrating the subject of history to the subject of science. Now, students should be told about what was the situation of science at the time of reigns of various famous kings and rulers. How was the subject of science and how it was looked at that times when there were kings and there were rulers. And teachers should narrate to the students incidences which inspired various scientists to find out medical remedies to various diseases. And while talking about diseases, which is again a very interesting topic to study in biology, wherein you can discuss about how the diseases were treated previously and how the subject of science was looked at and what inspired those scientists to come up with the medical remedies to all the diseases they were facing and how the medicines have evolved over a period of time by focusing on the times that existed that time in the history. Not only this, the function of correlating science with history can be done by mentioning the kind of living standard people used to experience at the different parts of human history. So when we try and link science and history, it will talk about the civilization, the kind of living, what we can say, lifestyle that the people had before, and the kind of living standards people used to follow that time, and the way it can be linked uh, to the kind of maybe we can call it lifestyle of the people and relating it to the times. So lifestyle, we can deal about the healthy living, healthy lifestyle, the health of the people at that time and how it is linked to the way people used to live. Okay, so in a way we can relate many concepts in science to history. Now, with such a knowledge, students will become more aware of the scientific concepts like sanitation and healthful living and how different it was before and how different it is from that time now. So, in a way, there are various ways by which you can link science and history, and it will help students understand or get an overall understanding of the subject of science or the concepts that you're teaching in science and relating it quite intelligently to the history behind that concept or behind that theory or behind that law, which will make the student understand the concept thoroughly. So this was about how science and history can be related to each other. We will see some more correlations of science with the other subjects in our next class. If you have any queries related to this topic, that is relationship between science and mathematics and the relationship between science and the subject of history, please feel free to type it in the chat box. Thank you.